Create a fun and unique handmade jewelry design using mini clothespin charms, colorful beads, and cord. This creative project combines playful details with a stylish handmade look. This project is a great way to explore your creativity, learn basic jewelry making skills, and design something special with your own hands. For this project, you will need mini clothespin charms in various colors. Choose a variety of shades to add personality, creativity, and a colorful handmade touch to your unique jewelry piece. We also need jewelry cord, such as waxed cord, cotton cord, or leather cord, to create the base of the design. Add 2 decorative beads to the ends of the cord for a stylish finish, and use scissors for cutting. Let's start this fun project step by step and create a beautiful mini clothespin charm jewelry design with simple materials. Arrange your design on a flat surface by placing the mini clothespin charms and decorative beads. Try different color combinations, shapes, and patterns before adding them to the cord. Planning your layout first helps create a balanced, stylish, and beautiful handmade jewelry design with your own creative touch. Get the jewelry cord ready by attaching a bead stopper or clip to one end. This will keep your beads and mini clothespin charms secure while you create your design, preventing them from sliding off. Measure the length of the cord to ensure it is long enough for your desired jewelry size. Add extra length for tying knots, securing the ends, or adjusting the size for a comfortable, perfect fit. Start from the top of your arrangement and insert the cord into the hole of the first mini clothespin charm bead. Slide it gently into place, following your planned pattern to create a beautiful and organized jewelry design. Another option is to gently press the mini clothespin charm open and attach it directly to the end of the cord. This creates a simple, fun, decorative style. Thread your next mini clothespin beads onto the cord one by one, following your planned design. Slide it gently into place without forcing it. Continue following your chosen pattern to create a beautiful, balanced, and organized handmade jewelry design with a creative touch. Repeat the process by adding each mini clothespin charm bead onto the cord one at a time. Slide every bead gently into position without forcing it to prevent damage. Continue adding your charms and following your design pattern until you create a balanced, colorful, and beautiful handmade jewelry piece with your own creative style. Always keep the clothespin beads flat while working. This keeps your project organized, makes the design easier to follow, and helps you assemble your handmade jewelry smoothly. Follow your design pattern and balance the colors carefully to create a vibrant necklace. Arrange each charm and bead beautifully for a unique, stylish, and eye-catching handmade jewelry piece. You can choose as many mini clothespin beads as you want to personalize your design. If you choose to use fewer mini clothespin beads, your finished necklace will have a simpler, lighter look, similar to the one shown in the image. Add more beads for a fuller, bolder look, or use fewer for a simple, minimalist necklace that reflects your own creative style. Some mini clothespin charms can be opened and clipped onto the cord, while others may be sealed during the manufacturing process. Both types work well for this project, so simply use the method that best fits each charm. For mini clothespin charms that open easily, simply press the clip open and attach them directly to the cord. For charms that are sealed during manufacturing, thread the cord through the hole in the clothespin instead. Both methods create a secure and attractive design. Trust me, this project takes less than 20 minutes to complete. Simply gather all your materials before you begin, and the assembly process will be quick, easy, and enjoyable, making it perfect for beginners and experienced jewelry makers alike. We are almost done. Continue adding each mini clothespin charm until your design is complete and beautifully arranged. After stringing all the mini clothespin charms, make sure they are neatly organized and positioned close together. Lay the design flat on your work surface to clearly check the arrangement, spacing, and overall appearance before completing the final steps. For the final stage of this project, we need two 10mm beads to finish the cord ends beautifully. Insert one end of the cord through a 10mm bead, pull the bead into position, then tie an overhand knot close to the bead to secure it firmly. Make sure the knot is tight so the bead stays securely in place. Now let's work on the other end of the cord by repeating the same process. Insert the cord through the second 10mm bead, pull it into place, and tie a secure overhand knot to match the first side. You can tie as many overhand knots as you like to secure the bead tightly. I prefer using just one knot because it holds the bead securely while keeping the necklace lightweight, neat, and less bulky for a cleaner finish. Your colorful clothespin bead necklace is complete. This fun, summery party necklace is ready to wear, making it the perfect accessory to add a playful pop of color to any outfit. This necklace features large, colorful acrylic beads separated by shiny silver spacer beads, all threaded onto a comfortable cord. The bright colors and playful design make it lightweight, eye-catching. First, attach a bead stopper to one end of the cord. Then begin threading the colorful beads one by one. First, insert a silver spacer bead onto the cord. Pull it all the way to the end until it rests securely against the bead stopper. This creates the starting point for your colorful bead pattern. Next, thread a colorful acrylic bead onto the cord after the silver spacer bead. Slide it gently into place, keeping the beads snug and aligned. You can arrange your beads on a flat surface before stringing them onto the cord. This gives you a clear view of the color pattern, bead spacing, and overall design, making the assembly process easier and more organized. Follow your design pattern and balance the colors carefully to create a vibrant necklace. Alternate silver spacers and acrylic beads evenly to create a unique, stylish, and eye-catching handmade jewelry piece with a balanced, professional-looking finish. Repeat the process by adding each silver spacer and acrylic bead onto the cord one at a time. Slide each piece gently into position without forcing it to prevent damage. Continue following your design pattern until you create a balanced, colorful, and beautiful handmade necklace that reflects your own creative style. Trust me, this project takes less than 15 minutes to complete. Simply gather all your materials before you begin, and you'll enjoy a quick, easy, and fun assembly process. It's the perfect jewelry making project for beginners, hobbyists, and experienced jewelry makers looking for a colorful design. Always keep the beads flat while working to maintain a clear view of your design. This keeps your project organized, makes the color pattern easier to follow, and helps you assemble your handmade jewelry smoothly, accurately, and with a neat, professional-looking finish. You can choose as many acrylic beads and silver spacers as you want to personalize your design. Add more beads for a fuller, bolder statement necklace, or use fewer for a simple, minimalist look. Mix colors and spacing to create a unique handmade piece that reflects your own creativity and personal style. We are almost done. Continue adding the silver spacer beads and colorful acrylic beads, following your chosen design pattern. We are almost done. Continue adding the silver spacer beads and colorful acrylic beads, following your chosen design pattern. Keep the spacing even and the colors balanced until your necklace is complete, beautifully arranged and ready for the finishing touches. After stringing all the silver spacer beads and acrylic beads, make sure they are neatly organized and positioned close together. Lay the necklace flat to check the spacing, color pattern, and overall appearance before completing the final steps. Insert one end of the cord through a silver spacer bead and pull it into position. Tie an overhand knot close to the bead to secure it firmly. Tighten the knot carefully to prevent it from slipping, ensuring the spacer bead stays securely in place for a neat, durable finish. Now, let's finish the other end of the cord by repeating the same process. Insert the cord through the second silver spacer bead, pull it into place, then tie a secure overhand knot close to the bead. Tighten the knot carefully so it matches the first side perfectly. Your colorful bead and spacer necklace is complete. This fun, summery necklace is ready to wear or share as a thoughtful handmade gift. Its vibrant colors and playful design make it the perfect accessory for parties, vacations, everyday outfits, or adding a cheerful touch to your style. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this colorful jewelry tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy DIY jewelry projects. See you in the next tutorial.